A wedding.
Have you ever attended someone's wedding? Who was he or she? Yes, I've attended many weddings, but the most memorable one was my best friend's wedding. Who went with you? I went there with one of my classmates. Where was the wedding organized? It was held at a restaurant downtown. What did people do at the wedding? People enjoyed the wedding feast, sang, and danced together after giving the couple their best wishes for everlasting happiness. What did the bride and groom wear? The bride wore a white wedding gown, while the groom wore a black suit and tie. What was the most interesting ritual at the wedding? The most interesting ritual for me was the exchanging of rings. Are weddings special events in your country? Yes, weddings are considered one of the most special events in a person's life in my country. Do people in your country get married early? Not really. The average marriage age is around 27 for women and 29 for men. What is the ideal age to get married, in your opinion? I think 27 is an ideal age to get married because people are usually more mature and responsible at that age. How have weddings changed recently? The most noticeable change is the reduction in traditional rituals. Weddings nowadays are simpler and less time-consuming than they used to be.